Hello again, it's Robin from Svensk Fastighetsförmedling. Today we are in Los Dolces, Villamartin, just behind La Senia Boulevard. We're looking today at the penthouse with beautiful sea views, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And behind me here we have the beautiful community pool area. We have one outside pool, and as you can see we also have one inside for the winters. Let's take a look. Alright, welcome. So just next to the door we have a closet for storage, and we continue down the hallway. We have the dining area, we have a bar connected to the fully equipped kitchen. And let's take a look at the 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And this is the living room. And can you imagine to have this beautiful view from your sofa? And this is just the balcony. Wait until we get up to the roof terrace. Let's go up to the roof terrace. Up here we have everything. We have a huge pergola, we have a lounge room, we have a shower, we have an outdoor kitchen, storage room, and also a beautiful view. So this wonderful penthouse we just watched has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's 61 square meters inside, and we have outside here 47 square meters. We just reduced the price to only 259,000 euros. My name is Robin. You find my details below if you're interested, and I'm looking forward to hear from you. Take care.